Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Printify using Shopify for t-shirts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Shopify website. Click on Get Started to create a new account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, you will land on your Shopify dashboard. Now, click on Apps in the left sidebar. Then, select Visit the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Printify and hit Enter. Click on the Printify app from the search results. On the Printify app page, click the Add App button. You may need to confirm the installation by clicking Install App. Once installed, you will be redirected to the Printify dashboard. If it's your first time using Printify, create a new account or log in with your existing credentials. After logging in, you'll see a prompt to connect your Shopify store. Select your Shopify store from the list and click on Connect. Once your store is connected, navigate to the Catalog section within Printify. Here, click on Products and then choose All Products. Search for t-shirts by entering t-shirt in the search bar. Browse through the options and select a t-shirt design you like. Click on Start Designing to customize your selected t-shirt. Upload your design or use Printify's built-in design tools to create one. Once satisfied with your design, click on Preview to see how it looks. If everything looks good, click on Submit to Store to add the t-shirt to your Shopify store. Now, go back to your Shopify dashboard. Click on Products in the left sidebar to view your newly added t-shirt. Make any necessary edits to the product title, description, and pricing. After making your edits, click on Save. To ensure your product is live, go to your online store and navigate to the T-shirts section. To promote your t-shirt, consider using Shopify's marketing tools. You can create email campaigns or social media posts to draw attention to your new design. Lastly, monitor your sales and adjust your marketing strategies as needed. That's it. You've successfully deployed Printify using Shopify for t-shirts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.